Now, one of our biggest events to be cancelled during COVID-19 is the Royal International Air Tattoo at RAF Fairford. The gates, they'd normally be opening to more than 200,000 aviation fans this weekend. Instead, though, the show is hoping to attract even more visitors by going online. Here's our Gloucester reporter, Steve Nibbs.
Let's go for rehearsal in 3, 2...
Hello and welcome to the first ever virtual air tattoo. I'm Ben Dunn.
The air show is a TV show this year, moving from the skies to online. The commentators talking to cameras rather than the crowds.
We've got those virtual displays, virtual aerobatic teams, virtual solo jets. We've got highlights of air tattoos from the past. Also showcases of international participants and RAF participants and the like who've come to the show in the past or are hopefully going to be coming in the future.
And this shows what technology can do. This is a taste of the virtual Red Arrows, a team who work with the real-life pilots to create displays in real time using flight simulators, all from the comfort of their homes across the world.
And they all team up using virtual reality headsets. They all pop those on, and their whole world is then recreated in 3 dimensions. So they're in the cockpit. And this is the game changer that virtual reality has brought to flight sim flying.
The virtual show will be free to everyone this weekend, but the tattoo is asking for donations because cancelling the real show means that the charity it supports, the RAF Charitable Trust, will lose £1 million this year.
They've got reserves. They will be awarding grants to good causes as they always do, but clearly they'll be limited. So we're really looking forward to seeing what we can do this weekend and then looking forward to next year, which is the 50th.
For the fans, of course, like Nikki from Somerset, who's been coming to RIAT since she was a child, a virtual show is better than no show.
Last weekend I watched Yeovilton's Rewind and they showed previous years. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what the Air Tattoo has put together for this virtual air show. Not exactly sure what it's going to be, so it's really exciting.
In particular, the Vulcan.
You can watch the virtual air show on the Air Tattoo website this weekend. Expect a few celebrity endorsements as well. And for a change, it won't matter about the weather. Steve Nibbs, BBC Points West, Fairford.